Welcome to my channel Persons of Fun Easy English. Voice, the most important portion. Changes of pronouns. This is just a reminder video of voice because while changing from active to passive or from passive to active, we make some changes in pronouns. As I said earlier, that this is just a reminder video, so we make some changes in pronouns. So subjective pronoun becomes objective and objective becomes subjective, as it follows like this. So to understand voice clearly, you must remember this by heart. So here is active and passive and the changes of pronouns. So I becomes me, we becomes us, you remains you, he becomes him, she becomes her, it becomes it, means it remains it, they becomes them. So just store it in your mind forever. Like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.